very, very exciting. We have April's newest box. An enchanted forest draws you in with ethereal nail designs fit for a fairy queen. From delicate wings to mythical forest scenes, this month's Mani by Me theme is sure to inspire your creativity and transport you to a magical world of fairies and fantasy. So when you open the box, you'll find that we have an inspiration card here filled with all the details of what will be inside your box. So as always, you'll receive 2 exclusive stamping plates. You'll also receive 2 early access stamping polishes, lace wig B469, which is a beautiful moss green with metallic shimmers. This green is so pretty. Don't sleep on it. And Faye B470, a dusty pink in our classic cream finish. From fair skin tones to darker skin tones, this pink shade will look good on everyone. Looks pretty good on black and white, I'd have to say. And for the finale, each subscriber will receive a limited edition Enchanted stamping plate organizer. These are great for small collections, or even if you're trying to divide your collections. If you loved everything that you saw in the box, make sure you go ahead and visit www.manixme.com and use code SUB5 off of your very first subscription kit or box.